Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe, we're gonna be cooking eggs in 5 different ways. First, we have the scrambled eggs by Chef Gordon Ramsay.
Breakfast. Never get a chance to eat it Monday to Friday, but Saturday.
Poached egg that was inspired by the Natashas kitchen.
And today I'm going to show you how to make
Wow.
perfect poached eggs.
And then yours truly, the egg omelette with the spinach inside. And then we have the burger egg, and lastly we have the sunny side up egg. We're gonna start with the Gordon Ramsay scrambled egg with butter. So break the eggs, add some unsalted butter, then whisk. And we gotta be heating the pan, then continue mixing using your spatula just like that. And then we have to wait when the egg turns like this, and then add another batch of unsalted butter, and then mix again until the butter is dissolved, and wait till the eggs slightly solidifies. So once our eggs looks like this, guys, we need to season it with salt and black pepper. Turn off the heat, remove it in the pan, then start plating. Well, Mr. Gordon Ramsay uses thyme, and me, I used dried parsley because I don't have thyme. So that's it. Our next recipe, we have the poached egg that was inspired by Natasha's kitchen. You go get a pan, add some water, add some salt and pepper. Then we'll have to wait until the water will boil, and then get a whisker and do like this, and start putting your egg, and remove the pan into the heat, and that's it. Again, I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper with dried parsley, and look at that. So we need to open up at the center and wait. Wow, look at the poached egg. Perfect. Now let's go to our third recipe. We have the egg omelette. And these are our ingredients. We have the egg, the butter, cheddar, spinach, garlic, salt, and pepper. Break the eggs. then whisk. Now we're gonna be heating the pan. Wait until it's hot, then we have to add our unsalted butter and wait until it's totally melted, then add our eggs. Wait until the eggs goes like this or there's no more liquid, and then we have to add our grated cheddar cheese, and lastly add our sliced spinach and start folding. Into the other side we have to season it with salt and pepper, then fold, and then we're good to go. Our homemade egg omelette with cheddar cheese and spinach inside. Then our fourth recipe, we have the boiled burger egg. Get the boiled egg, then cut into halves, and one side we have to put the tomato, the cheddar cheese, the lettuce, and then again the tomato, cheddar cheese, and top with our lettuce, and put the other half of the egg at the top, then seal it with a toothpick. Let's start plating by adding some black sesames, then add some mayonnaise, and we're gonna be cutting it into halves, and look at that, it seems like a true burger. Wow, look at that, guys. And for our final recipe, we have our well done sunny side up eggs. So 3 eggs in a pan, then add some water and cover, then wait for a few minutes and we'll see what happens. And after a few minutes, look at them, so they're good to go. And I guess we need to check what happened to the egg yolk, and look at that, a well cooked, well done egg yolk. So you must try this trick, guys. So add water into pure egg, sunny side up egg.